Fire ant mounds and odorous house ants commonly invade southeastern coastal lawns and gardens, and they demand targeted seasonal strategies. In warm, humid coastal climates, ants are active for more of the year, so start by inspecting landscaping and foundations weekly to catch colonies when they are small. For prevention, apply a granular barrier treatment to the perimeter of lawns and garden beds in early spring and repeat every 3 months during the long season, making sure to water in according to label directions to move the active ingredient into the topsoil where ants forage. Focus on soil amendment by adding organic matter and compost to sandy soils to improve moisture retention and reduce bare, dusty patches that attract foraging ants. Rake in amendments to a depth of 2 to 3 inches around plant roots, but do not bury plant crowns. Use weed matting and a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch in beds to limit seed germination and reduce habitat for ant trails, while keeping mulch 1 inch to 2 inches away from building foundations to avoid creating bridging habitat. For localized mound control, apply bait stations using slow-acting protein and carbohydrate baits depending on species behavior and place them along foraging trails rather than directly on the mound. Because worker ants will carry the bait back to the colony, rotate bait types seasonally to match ant dietary preferences. When dealing with fire ants, use individual mound treatments with labeled insecticide drenches or dusts for immediate reduction, but follow up with perimeter baiting for long-term suppression. Common mistakes include treating only visible mounds and ignoring satellite colonies, which leads to quick reappearance. To avoid this, combine mound treatments with regular perimeter baiting and weekly inspections. Another error is using fast-acting contact sprays as a primary tactic. They can fragment a colony and spread the problem, so reserve contact treatments for emergency suppression and rely on baits for colony elimination. A third issue is neglecting cultural measures like soil improvement and mulch management. If you skip these, the environment will remain favorable to ants, so commit to scheduled soil amendments, proper mulch depth, and removing debris to reduce nesting sites. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources tailored to regional pest pressures, so we can help you find professionals experienced with southeastern coastal ant issues. We also host a discussion community where we share regional tips, compare product experiences, and help contractors find work through homeowner leads.